Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. Going to take a look at the dollar versus Swiss franc to start your trading day in that currency pair. So let's get started. I'm going to take a couple views of this currency pair. I'm going to start with the 4-hour chart. And what you can see in trading here today is up and down price action here in a very narrow trading range. But what we're seeing at the lows is the price came down to test the rising 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. Just below that is the lowering or the moving lower 100-day moving average. Both those levels coming in at 0.8785 and 0.87739 respectively. Also near that area is the 50% midpoint of the of a move down from going back in time to the high price going back to, I don't know, October or September, somewhere back there, and to the low price that we saw right here. And that level comes in right near the 0.8785 level. So this cluster of support from a technical perspective is in play. And if the price were to move below that area, below the 100-day moving average, it would open the door for further downside momentum in the dollar versus Swiss. Note that in trading at the end of last week, the price did hold the 100-day moving average here and bounced off that level. So again, that level is going to be a key level to get to and through if the sellers are to take more control. Now, the other view I want to take is of the hourly chart. And why do I want to take a look at this chart? Well, it goes back to this green line right here, and this green line represents the 200-hour moving average. And you can see over the last few days, the price has toyed with that 200-hour moving average on a number of different times in trading. Yesterday, the 200-hour moving average did hold resistance, and in trading today, the 200-hour moving average also held resistance. Now, you go back to the start of yesterday's trade, we did move a little bit above it. We did move a little bit above it here and even back here, but the momentum above that 200-hour moving average seems to be limited. So that is good news for the sellers. But what we have going on here is a battle between support below and resistance above. Support defined by the 100-day moving average, the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart, 50% retracement. Those are our support. And on the resistance, we have clearly the 200-hour moving average, which is being the biggest leader as far as the resistance goes. We need to either get above that level and stay above that level, in which case we'll look toward the 200-day moving average, or we need to get below the 100-day moving average and start to move lower. That's the trading battle that's going on between the buyers and sellers in the dollar versus Swiss. And until that is resolved, until we get that shove one way or the other, ups and downs are going to continue in this currency pair. We'll see how it all plays out over time, but that's the story from a technical perspective. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.